It's already fun?
Yeah,
Poco?
yeah, Pogo. The fishing.
Until, ay ano pa, under...
What
Huh?
Poco?
Wait,
Yeah.
I think Pogo.
Yeah, Poco, yeah. Try to search it.
Is it the Philippine Offshore Gaming Operators or Pogo?
Poco? I don't know.
You don't know the meaning?
Poco.
But I really, it has been in the news that it has been banned by the
Really?
president. Yeah, the Pogo.
Here, Pogo.